Laura's now going to do some spinal waves, so she's going to get on all fours into the box position. So the hips are bent at 90 degrees with the knees under the hips, the hands are underneath the shoulders, and she's in a nice solid position. The head is in neutral as well. From there, she's going to tilt her pelvis under, making her back round. It's going to follow vertebrae by vertebrae up through the thoracic spine, all the way up as she tucks the head with the cervical spine. From there, the lumbar spine is going to then extend and tuck through, causing an arch, which is then going to wave all the way back up the spine, through the thoracic and through the cervical. That is then done again, another 4 times. So up through the lumbar, causing that hump, up through the thoracic, the protraction of the scapula as she's pushing up there through the thoracic and the cervical, and then as the arch starts coming up again through the lumbar spine. So the goal with this is to really get control over the vertebrae of the spine and how you're moving each of the 3 sections of the spine. Initially it might be quite clunky and you might kind of stop-start as you're doing the movements, but concentrate on making whatever movements you can do as smooth as possible and you'll get there. So Laura's really pushing right up through there, as you can see, causing that arch around, and then it's staying there until that wave hits it again. Then once she's done her 5, she'll just come to rest in a neutral position in the box shape.